Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 2.4 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now as you can see we've got this section with some suggestions, and your device actually suggests you to add the fingerprint to unlock it. But if you cannot find it, if you cannot for some reason see the suggestion, I will show you how to do it manually. So we have to scroll down and find the security option, and as you can see in the device security on the second position we've got fingerprint, so simply tap on it. Here we have to add an additional screen lock method, and we can choose the pattern pin or password. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will be still able to unlock your device with additional screen lock, and then you won't have to go through whole hard reset operation, which will wipe all the data and which is irreversible. So make sure that you will remember this screen lock method and just tap on the option like to use. I will pick the pattern, so let me do it. Now let's draw the pattern, redraw it and confirm. Here we can decide what kind of notification content we'd like to show on the lock screen, so we can show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all, and all you have to do is simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked. So let me pick to show sensitive content and tap on done. Now we have to tap on next, because let's say this is the first option of adding, the first step of adding our fingerprint to it, and now we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. It's right here. So let me do it. Let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. You can add another just by tapping on this option. If not, tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint options. The finger one is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon, or we can rename it. We have to tap on it if you'd like to do it, and just enter the name of it. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and you can add a fingerprint. So renaming your fingerprint is a quite a good option and idea if you will have a lot of fingerprints added. Let me get back and let's check if we will have any other options to customize. No, actually this is all we can do with our fingerprint, so now we have to try and check if it is working. So let's lock our device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, this device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, as I said, you will be able to unlock your device with the pattern or pin or password you just set. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Nokia 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.